Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm gonna be filming me just running some errands. I have to do a few things and I thought since I'm going to a few fun places, why not? So I'm going to Homegoods now, which I know it feels like I'm always there. But I'm going for a few things that I actually do need. So one, I want to get a salt lamp, which is why I went the other day but didn't find one. So I want to get a salt lamp. Two, I want to get like a glass canister or something that I could put Beckham's goldfish in because he loves goldfish and we have like 3 bags in his little cabinet right now, and it just, I don't know. I am so OCD about weird stuff like that. My best friend, Jasmine, just moved into new little place, so I want to get her something cute for her place since I'm going to go over tomorrow and see it. So we'll see what I can find. And then after that, I'm going to go to Target because I have to get a few other little like grocery items. So let's see what we can find. Starting off in the outdoor section, I came across these bowls and vases and I really love them. I wasn't a big fan of the color, but you could always spray paint something like this and it would look really pretty. And these were both really heavy and for a great price. Next, I love to look at all the wooden items, especially like the serving bowls. Really great for putting like bananas and your fruit in them. I looked at the pans. I couldn't really find any that I absolutely loved, but usually they do have a great variety. I came across this wreath, which I almost got because it was such a great price, $7. I always love to look at the soaps and lotions and see what good scents they have. They always have a lot of good choices. Next, I was just browsing, looking at the dog beds. If you have a dog or cat, definitely go to Homegoods because they're always great, affordable prices, and they're really soft. Next are the rugs. I didn't really see any that I absolutely loved, but that's like one of my favorite things to look at is the rugs at Homegoods. I found this lamp, which was on like a marble block. It was really cute and it was on clearance for $99, originally $150. I love looking at the art pieces. Sometimes you have to just look through each one to find really good things. Oh my gosh, blankets. Blankets. You can never have too many blankets. Love this one. It was a little boho, but super cute. I really loved these pillows. They were a little bit too boho for me, but they were so cute. This one is really cute too. I love the cream color and the black together. My favorite is looking at the crystals. This one is $14.99. This one was $19.99. Oh my gosh, this giant one I fell in love with. $39.99. It was as big as my hand. I came across some really beautiful vintage wood pieces. They were a little pricey, but very heavy and good quality. I love this to put like on a coffee table to put the remotes in. So cute.
I love this wood piece. I honestly regret not getting it. It's so cute. And this cute little chair. I couldn't tell if this was for like a little kid or like a dog bed. It was so adorable. I wanted to get it so bad. Next, I went to Lowe's looking for a plant for our bathroom. I couldn't find any that I absolutely loved, so it's kind of a fail.
We're back. So I'm going to start off with Homegoods first just because it's more interesting. First thing that I got was this egg container. We always have eggs because we go through them like crazy, and I just thought that this is more aesthetic, a little bit cuter than looking in the fridge and seeing a bunch of egg cartons. So this was only $4.99. I thought it was a good price. Next thing, I got 2 loofahs because mine is hanging on by a thread, and these were $3.99, so that's a pretty good deal for 2 of them. Next, I got my friend some cute little stuff for her new place. I got this candle, which is peony, and this was $8. Oh, it smells so good. And then I got her this rose water coconut citrus pillow mist because I am in love with pillow mists. I spray them on my clothes, I spray them on my pillow, my blankets, everything, and it just is so relaxing. And this actually smells so good. Next, I'm really happy that I found this. It is a handheld steamer, and the brand is True and Tidy, 500 watts. I've actually been really wanting to get one of these from Amazon. I just haven't, but I remember looking, and I think they're like $30–40 on Amazon, and this one was only $16.99, so that's a really good deal. Hopefully it works. Next thing that I got was another coffee table book. If you saw my last Shop With Me at Homegoods video, you saw that I found a Vogue coffee table book, and this one is this really beautiful like teal color, and this is Vogue on Saint Laurent. Really cute, good quality. And this one was also $12.99, so that's a really great deal for a Vogue coffee table book. Next is this guy. Oh my god, I'm in love with this thing. Don't even know what you call this, but it's so cute. It was only $24.99. I'm gonna try and put this in my kitchen somewhere. It's just very earthy, and I just love like the texture of it, and it's sitting on this heavy block, so I just love it. I could not pass it up. Next was my favorite thing that I got from Homegoods. How beautiful is this crystal? Oh my god, so stunning. This was $30, but this is definitely a great price. It's like as big as my face. It's ginormous, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. I kind of want to put it in my bathroom somewhere where I can see it like every single day because it's so beautiful. And then next is just all stuff from Target. Nothing really that crazy, just essentials. I got some Downy Wrinkle Release Spray because we're just bad at our laundry and we let it sit there until it's wrinkly and like 5 days old. So we always need this. Next are these dog treats. If you have dogs, you have to get these because our dogs eat these up in no time. They love them so much. And the brand is 3 Dog Bakery. Next, I got this bra. It's just this white, cute bra. I think it was only $7. Yeah, $7. I got it in the size medium. Really cute. I usually get the Myers, but they've been all out for like a few weeks now. Every time I go to Target, I look and they're always out. So we'll try this one. The scent is Wildflower. Last, I got these Crest 3D white strips in the sensitive white because my teeth are pretty sensitive. I've not whitened them in a while. My teeth have been kind of yellow. So hopefully these work. And that is it, you guys. I went to Lowe's. I couldn't find a plant that I loved. I did get my friend a little plant for her new house. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
So tenderly, you watch me burn, you watch me burn. Oh.